Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. And to get started, pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the screen recorder, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, tap on it and then select Start Now, and this will immediately start the recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. Now once you're done with it, click on the red camera. This will stop and save the recording to your gallery application, your photos, it's in captures, and there we go. And that is how you record a screen. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.